With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is given: a uniform solid cylindrical roller of mass m is being pulled on a horizontal surface with force F parallel to the surface and applied at its center. If the acceleration of the cylinder is a and it is rolling without slipping, then the value of F is. Here we have to find the value of F. This option is given. Now we have to check which is right. So this is the uniform solid cylinder, and here pulled on a horizontal surface with the force F. This is pulled by force F and parallel to the surface and applied its center. So this is the force F, and here this mass is m and acceleration a, and it's rolling without slipping. So means here when force is here, so friction force on this side, this is the horizontal, this friction is on this side. So here firstly we can write net force acting on this cylinder. So here we write F minus F is equal to ma. Now writing torque equation for cylinder about a center. So here this is the Fr equal to I alpha, means this is the torque, and here we can write value of I is the I center of mass. So here this is the mr square upon 2, mr square upon 2 into alpha is angular acceleration. So alpha value is a by r. Now after calculating, it is equal to Fr is equal to mr square upon 2 into a upon r. So here r is cancel out. So F is equal to ma upon 2, and this value substitute here. Now we can write F minus ma upon 2 equal to ma, and here F will come 3 ma upon 2. So this is the solution. Now check the option. So that means first option is the right. This is solution to this question, guys. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.